Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're exploring TaxJar, a robust sales tax management solution available at TaxJar.com. TaxJar aims to simplify the often complex world of sales tax compliance for businesses of all sizes. Navigating the varying sales tax rates, regulations, and reporting requirements across different states can be a significant burden, and TaxJar is designed to alleviate these challenges. The platform offers a range of features, including automated sales tax calculations, filing, and reporting. This automation streamlines the process, saving businesses valuable time and resources. TaxJar integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and WooCommerce, allowing for seamless sales tax management directly within those platforms. This integration is a key advantage, minimizing manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Beyond calculations and filing, TaxJar provides insights into your sales tax nexus, helping you understand where you have a sales tax obligation. Determining nexus can be tricky, and having a tool to assist with this aspect is incredibly valuable. They also offer resources and support to help businesses stay informed about sales tax changes and best practices. Staying up to date on the ever-evolving sales tax landscape is crucial for compliance, and TaxJar assists with this ongoing education. One of the significant benefits of using a service like TaxJar is the potential reduction in audit risk. By automating calculations and filings, you can minimize errors and maintain accurate records, which is essential during an audit. TaxJar's reporting features also offer a clear overview of your sales tax liabilities and filings, providing peace of mind and facilitating efficient tax management. Finally, consider exploring their various pricing plans to find the best fit for your business's specific needs and size.